Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia exemplifies Italian automotive excellence, blending performance, design, and advanced technology. This model year streamlines the lineup to a single core trim, with the introduction of the limited production Tributo Italiano edition, offering enthusiasts a refined selection. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the Giulia lies a robust 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering 280 horsepower and 306 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain ensures dynamic acceleration, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5.1 seconds, and reaching a top speed of 149 miles per hour paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Giulia offers both rear-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations, catering to diverse driving preferences. Design and exterior. The Giulia's exterior showcases Alfa Romeo's signature design language, featuring a distinctive V-Scudetto grille and sleek body lines that exude elegance and sportiness. Standard features include 18-inch dark turbine wheels and a sport front fascia. The Tributo Italiano edition enhances this aesthetic with 19-inch dark aluminum wheels, red brake calipers, and gloss black window trim, offering a unique visual appeal. Interior and technology. Inside, the Giulia combines luxury with driver-focused ergonomics. Standard amenities encompass leather seating, heated front and rear seats, and a heated steering wheel. The centerpiece is a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, customizable with 3 layouts: Evolved, Relax, and Heritage, allowing drivers to tailor their interface experience. The infotainment system includes an 8.8-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Safety and driver assistance. Alfa Romeo prioritizes safety by equipping the 2025 Giulia with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard systems include traffic sign recognition, lane keep assist, active blind spot assist, driver attention alert, and full speed forward collision warning plus. These technologies work cohesively to enhance driver awareness and mitigate potential hazards on the road. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Giulia is available in a single core trim, with the option to upgrade to the Tributo Italiano edition. The base model starts at $43,995, offering a well-rounded package of performance and luxury. The Tributo Italiano, starting at $48,995, adds exclusive features such as a limited slip differential, adaptive suspension, premium leather interior with sport seats, and a Harman Kardon audio system, providing an elevated driving experience. Conclusion. The 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia continues to uphold the brand's legacy of delivering vehicles that marry performance, style, and advanced technology. Whether opting for the standard model or the exclusive Tributo Italiano edition, drivers can expect a sedan that offers exhilarating dynamics, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge features, making each journey a memorable experience.